Hello guys, welcome back. Today we'll be discussing about the psychology of a reversal market. The psychology of a reversal market. We all know what is a reversal market. A reversal market is a change in the total direction, the total trend of a market. So what we'll be doing today is, this is a gold chart, odd USD weekly, gold chart, odd USD weekly chart. We'll be going from the top, from the end, this is the end, to the bottom, and we start picking every areas of what reversal and see if our reversal psychology, our reversal signs happens. So we will start from here now, but before we start, let me explain what you want to be seeing in a reversal market. Now, the psychology of a reversal market, the first thing you want to see is a divergence. You want to start seeing divergence play in that particular time frame. You want to start seeing divergence playing in that particular time frame. That means, when you know what divergence is a disagreement between price and oscillator. So when you start spotting a divergence on the charts, based on what you are seeing on that particular chart, you start having the mindset that price is what trying to reverse. Price is trying to reverse. Now, the second thing you have to know is this: there will always be a formation of an announcement bar. Now, if you watch the last video on trend, the psychology of a trend market, you understand what I mean. They say there is always an announcement bar that comes before the deep retracement or the deep reversal. Now, the announcement bar, like I said, acts like John the Baptist. You know, John the Baptist is the forerunner of Jesus Christ. He came to announce the coming of Christ to us. And what happened after the formation of the candle bar, the John the Baptist bar, or it can also be an other block bar? You see a deep retracement comes, or you see a deep retracement that will turn into a reversal. Now, the second and the third thing you want to see is the break in the key level area. And of course, you know, the ultimate key level area for the reversal is what? Is the market structure. The ultimate key level area for a reversal is the market structure. I'm very sure you all know that. The market structure is the ultimate key level area for a reversal. And what happened? We see price breaks the market structure level, then a confirmation which happens to be in alignment with your time frame analysis. You get what? A price reversal. Now, this is the weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame. Weekly, I put our MACD for us to see. Now, this is it. We have our divergence coming. This is divergence. Yes, we have the divergence. That is the first row, divergence. Now, the second thing is what? The formation of a what? The formation of an announcement bar. Now, where is our announcement bar here? We have it. This particular bar formed this. Then we have another one here, this particular bar. This is the first announcement bar. Yeah, it gives us this up. Then we have another announcement bar here, and what? It gives us the low you are seeing here that completes our divergence. And what happened? We have the break in key level area, which is the market structure. This happens to be our market structure level. Yeah, this region. Let me use a rectangle instead. This particular place happens to be our market structure level, and of course we have the breakout of market structure here. And of course, you know how to confirm price reversal in market structure. Now, what happened? We have the divergence, we have the formation of announcement, but we have a break in the key level area. That is the market structure. And what happened? Price continues to do what? Trend. Just have to apply our psychology of the trend market here. Price continue to trend, continue to trend, continue to trend, until we now have what? An order top here. Now, look at this. This is supposed to be a good sign, but this is not a reversal trade. This is not a reversal. We did not have a divergence here. This is supposed to be above, or it's supposed to be even at the tip of this level. So there was no divergence. And what happened? We still saw price respect market structure level here, and the trend continues. Now let's continue. We go higher. higher, higher, higher. Now this is an area where we saw a deep retracement, breaking out market structure. Now we follow again the rules. Divergence, don't forget, we have our divergence here, and we have our divergence here. Can you see that? We have our what? Multiple announcement bar. We have the first one here, we have another one here, we have another one here, we have the drop. Can you see that? And price breaks the what? Market structure level, which is this zone. We have a break in market structure level, which is this particular zone, and price drops. Can you see? We continue again. We continue again. There's a sharp turn from this place. There was no divergence, but we also saw a break in the market structure level. When we get to the rules of entry, I will explain how we can take trades like this. But you have to deal with patience. Now we continue again and again. Price kept moving higher, 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 until we were able to see a bigger divergence. And where did that started from? It started from this particular aspect up to this zone. And we have the divergence from here down to this zone. And what happened? This, the break in market structure level. Can you see the break in market structure level? And of course, I know you can spot the what? The announcement bar. We have the announcement bars. Can you see? This particular zone qualified for announcement bar because of what? The price was ranging. It did not dip. It was just ranging between a particular rectangular shape. It does not dip. And this particular, this brought this full dip. And this dip turned into what? A divergence, because we have a break of key level area and price continues dropping. Now looking at this particular place, we have a pure divergence here. We have a pure divergence here. We have the candle bars formation. But what happened? There was no break in the market structure. Can you see? No break of market structure. And that was why price continued falling. And now here you apply the same rules of what? Divergence. The same rule of trend trading market. We continue. Now let's watch it out for this particular area. Now if you notice, right from this area down to this zone, we are having a divergence. We are still having divergence. The divergence keeps coming. But what happened? There is no break. There is no break of what? Of market structure. Price did not break the market structure region. And that was why we are saying what? We saw price continue dropping. We saw price continue dropping. 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 And what happened? We saw the reversal from this zone. Yep. We have a break in market structure, sharp turning. The divergence happened, but it was so sharp. And what happened? We saw price go up above our market structure and continue trending higher. So we are in the bullish phase in the odd USD market. Although it's trying to check into a deep retracement and weekly retracement level. But now, having known this for a reversal market, very simple as this. Nothing to stress yourself. Very simple. Just remember, they will have a divergence. We have a formation of announcement bar. We have a break in the key level area, which is our market structure. The ultimate key level area for a reversal is the market structure. We have our confirmation. Then we see what? Price reverse. Now, I want you to do this as an assignment. Having watched the psychology of a trend market and the psychology of a reversal market, write or draw a chart on a blank sheet of paper indicating everything that you understand on this particular class. Thank you. I believe that is going to help you. You can send it down to my email, forexmaadum@gmail.com, or for the students, send it to my WhatsApp number. I'll do well on our Telegram group. I'll do well to answer them and mark them correctly. Please, you need to get this right. Thank you and God bless you.